simply because they're under pressure, they're losing money, and they've just got to get out. The same thing applies in the regular markets. This is what I cover in the advanced tactics videos, and that type of information is what the market makers look for. The rest of these resources are fairly explanatory. You've got economic calendars, news, commentary, and analysis. Let's go ahead and look at this stuff here. FX map. I'll wait till it's got to load. This is something that I would put more in the novelty category, because I just don't know how to use it. I've never spent any time trying to use it. But here you can see here's a map. You can zoom in on certain areas. We'll go ahead and zoom in on the United Kingdom, and it's going to give you different information. The capital is London. It's 244,082 square miles, 58 million people. It'll also give you the percentage change versus the U.S. dollar. So anyway, just novelty stuff. I guess if you wanted to keep yourself occupied during a boring trading day, that stuff would be pretty good. But really, the best resources are going to be the news, the open order statistics, long-short ratios. Let me deal with that. This is something that can be very useful when you're looking to analyze price. Okay, and you can see here they've broken it down based on all the currency pairs. So the euro US dollar here is in red. Okay, where's the pound? Pound US dollar is here in this light blue over here. You can see obviously the bulk of the positions are in the euro, but then the second, really tied for second, is the Swiss, the Canadian, and the yen. Okay, so the British pound you can see is slightly less. But then let's go over here to the ratios. Okay, 50% is going to be equal. Okay, and you can see that that's whatever's in brown here, and that's the pound yen. Okay, there's about equal ratio long to short in the pound yen. Now, if you look over here, the currencies that are shorter, look at this. The euro is shorter, and the euro pound. Then the pound, then the Aussie US. Then now we're here at about equal. Then we start going long. We're getting to the yen. What's next? The pound yen, the euro Swiss, then the Canadian, and then finally the Swiss. For some reason on a Wanda system, more people are long the Canadian dollar and the Swiss as of, again, 9:30 a.m. The next sampling rate will be 10. Again, if you're trading on a Wanda and you're looking to hunt stops and things like that, this is a very good, this will provide you some good information. Because obviously over here, you can see that there are more people short the pound than there are long the pound. So again, as the pound creeps its way up, you're going to find that those people are going to panic out. And quite frankly, you're going to see these kind of moves here, where this is where people, this type of action is very indicative of people just getting out of the market. Price makes a big run up, and then stops dead in its tracks, starts working its way down. Okay, so those are the resources. There's one other thing I wanted to cover with the chart application. Like I said, Awanda really does have a pretty good